Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to review the new mid-range budget IEMs from BGVP and its model number is P05. So let's start it. I will talk about its sound later. I have already checked it. This is just a repacking unboxing. So the sound is actually very good, but before we will see its box, and first of all I also want to mention that its price is only 50 US dollar, and that's actually really impressive if you look at the box and the packaging and accessories. So it really feels premium in budget also. So you can see the box is actually very big, and when you open the box you will see its presentation. So let's unbox it. So you can see that you are getting a lot, and first of all these are some paperwork, and these are actually very different. If you look at the other earphones packaging, it is little bit different. You get all these cards, we'll check them later. And now see, this actually, so you get a case, and it is really good. Let's unbox it as well. So you get your cables here, and which I have already repacked, so this is not original unboxing. And you get your nozzles, tuning nozzles as well, and then you get your IEMs. And then you get 3 vocal ear tips and 3 bass ear tips, and these are all in large, medium and small sizes. And you get 2 foamy tips as well. So this was all the unboxing, and now let's talk about its sound quality and its tuning nozzles as well. So now I have assembled them for you, and now let's talk about its build quality. The build quality is actually very good. You can see very nice finishing, and you cannot question it. This is a very well finished IEM. And if I talk about fit and comfort level, is also very excellent. I had no problem wearing it. So it is balanced. It is 10 out of 10. And one thing more, that does it need more power for its full potential use? And the answer is no, they don't need more power, so it will be just fine for any of the device you are using, or maybe it depends on your device as well, because when I used it with my laptop it was very powerful. The sound was too much high that I couldn't even hear above the volume of 40, so it was too high. But when I used it with my smartphones, it was some kind of balanced performance. And now if I talk about its tuning nozzles, well, I checked them at least 5 times. I changed them again and again to see if it has some kind of performance in it as well, but I couldn't actually differentiate much more. It, like, I feel a little bit change, but it is not as I can describe in my words. So I didn't see any change or much change that I can tell you. So tuning nozzles was just fine. And only one thing is good, that you get actually two colors. So that's actually very good that you get two colors and you can change them. You can change the tuning nozzles and it will change your whole earphone as well. So the red one and the silver one, the both are beautiful. Also these IEMs are actually very rare. I mean, in IEM industry you get a lot of IEMs, but they are not like this one. They are actually very little, very small IEMs, and I actually really prefer these kind of IEMs. They are really amazing and good looking as well, and you have no problem wearing them, and they are really impressive. Now coming to the main thing, and that is its sound quality. The sound is actually really impressive. It has a great bass and great vocals, and actually the vocals were very clear and transparent, but the vocals weren't thin. The vocals were thick actually. So it has a balanced performance in vocals, and for bass as well. It has a very different bass. It was not a woofer type bass. In my dictionary I call it a slappy bass. A very thick bass I call it. And if I have to list them in terms of quantity, the number one would be treble, and the number two is vocals and bass. Treble is very decent here. Like some other earphones, the treble is so high and too whistle like that it becomes very irritating, but that's not the case here. Treble is very gentle. You can listen to it completely and calmly with no issues overall. And if I talk about vocals, the vocals are also pretty decent, transparent and clear. They are not thin at all. They are very thick. And if I were to give you my final statement and recommendation, it would be that it's worth it for $50 US. Absolutely, you are getting such good packaging. The earphones themselves look so beautiful with excellent finishing and build quality. The sound is also very good, and the most important thing that these are very small, and such small type of earphones are rarely made in the IEM industry and market. I absolutely loved it. And that's it for my review. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And lastly, subscribe my YouTube channel and must press the bell icon for all videos. There are many amazing videos coming soon. And thank you for watching my video.